Today I am doing B180 petrol and 1.5 liter, and is a common problem. This car is transmission is showing here transmission visit workshop. So if you diagnose the car, and then you can see here the Mercedes is 245 and B160 150 is the same, and then you can see here two code coming 0793. The RPM signals for component Y3/9B4 CVT variable transmission, automatic transmission, secondary RPM sensor not available, and the other code coming 0722. The RPM signal from component Y3/9B5 CVT from components CVT continuous variable automatic transmission output RPM sensor is not available. So that's the common problem of these cars. You can see is like low mileage car, but the problem is that this is the common problem in the transmission control module. So if you have this type of problem, you have to bring the car to us. We are in Hounslow near Heathrow, and we can fix your car in 2 to 3 hours. We will remove it, repair it, and put back gearbox oil change. Complete job we can do it in 2 hours. If you wait and cup of coffee, and car will be ready. So if you have any like that type of problem, you can see my other video we repairing every time. The Mercedes B class, very popular. You can see my review as well, and or you can take it out and bring the control module to me, and then we can repair in 1 hour. So my name is Terry, and we are in Hounslow. My postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango, and we are near Heathrow, and my phone number is 07402536382. You can book with me on anytime. You can call me, and then we can repair your unit, and we can repair your car. You can contact through WhatsApp, call me, email, up to you. You can see my every videos and subscribe. Thank you. Take care. Bye.